I timed myself last week. I spent exactly 47 minutes in a single day re-explaining the same project context to my AI. Different tools, different tabs, same frustration. Then Google quietly dropped an April 8th update that eliminated that problem entirely. Almost nobody noticed. Here is exactly what changed under the hood and why it matters for your workflow right now. The biggest drain on your productivity is AI amnesia. Google solved this by building full bidirectional synchronization between Gemini and NotebookLM. You never have to start a chat cold again. Every notebook you create in Gemini automatically appears in NotebookLM. You don't have to manually export files or drag documents back and forth between different platforms. This architectural change creates a workspace that accumulates understanding over months of use, moving past the limitations of a standard chatbot session. I've been investigating this topic for weeks, and what I found genuinely shocked me. I tested this integration on a real content research project, and the Autosync feature alone saved me 40 minutes of manual re-uploading. When you edit a connected Google Doc, the system refreshes automatically. Your notebook stays up to date without ever clicking upload. In the past, your AI was stuck referencing old versions. Today, these static documents become a living knowledge system. For creators, this means building a YouTube content notebook. You load it with your past scripts and SEO data to teach the AI your specific workflow. For students, you can upload an entire semester's worth of notes and textbooks. The AI continues building on your previous study sessions, instead of starting from zero every time you log in. Freelancers can even move their previous Gemini chats directly into a notebook. This turns old conversations into structured data that you can reuse for future client projects. When you automate these updates, your work shifts. You stop managing files and start focusing on high-level strategy. The setup is straightforward. You open Gemini, create a dedicated notebook, and upload your project sources, including PDFs, documents, and YouTube videos. From there, you set custom instructions at the notebook level. These rules apply to the entire project, so you don't have to repeat your prompts in every new chat. But that's not the part that surprised me most. This last feature is what I use every single day. Because the platforms are synced, you can switch directly into NotebookLM. You use those same sources to generate audio overviews, video overviews, or structured study guides. This update connects Gemini's reasoning with NotebookLM's grounded research tools, eliminating the friction of moving data back and forth. Now for the catch. Access is currently tied to Google's paid AI plans, and geographical expansion is still pending for several regions. The system also requires an active internet connection. There is currently no offline mode available. Avoid the mistake of assuming every feature follows the same regional rules. Media generation tools like video overviews often have stricter access limits than the basic chat. I also want to clear up some speculation. Some podcasts claim there is a dedicated AI study progress tracking feature inside NotebookLM. I have found zero official documentation to support that, so treat it as a rumor. While this synchronized workspace changes your workflow, it is still a cloud-dependent tool locked behind specific paywalls. Looking ahead, the industry is obsessed with raw model intelligence. I think that focus is a distraction from what actually matters to your daily productivity. The real competition is integration. The platform that wins will be the one that remembers the most about your work and fits naturally into your existing operations. So I want to hear from you. Does this Google integration replace ChatGPT and Claude in your daily workflow, or are you keeping your current setup? Drop your answer below. If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe to the AI Explainer for daily AI updates, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.